We already got Storm popping up, and he brought Dom 3 back.
We have now brought Dom 3 back, which is amazing.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
Yes.
Oh wow! Did you see that lightning strike? Okay, so storms are moving southeast. We gotta go southeast. But
Yeah.
the risk is so good. Have you checked the risk yet?
Yes. This is gonna be a pretty powerful tornado.
Yes. Really, really powerful tornadoes. I'm probably expecting an EF5 today. I really just want to see an F5.
Yeah. Alright, since we brought Dom 3 back, we fixed the window, because before, the windows weren't, the Lexan windows wouldn't work.
Oh yeah.
So I had to manually put it up. What else did we improve? We improved what was it? The airbag system.
Deploys faster, a little faster.
And the spike system, too.
We have a meso.
Really? Where's it?
Northwest. For our position.
Are you, we could stop here real quick.
Yeah, we gotta stop.
I gotta get my computer in the back, so just a minute.
Alright. So it's fast. It's going fast. So that's good. Taking a look at it. Okay, we got funnel. There's a funnel. Let me take a good look. So, alright, wait. It's about to touch the ground. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. He hasn't got his computer set up. Oh my god.
Alright, found it finally. It was under
Nice.
suitcases. Head east.
Alright.
Actually,
Here we
stop. Actually, stop.
Stop here.
Stop quick. Hold on the side of the road.
Side eye. I think it's heading towards us.
Yep.
Here, let me report this. There we go. It shifted a little east, so I don't know. Radar might be.
Go forward.
Alright.
Go forward. Oh.
It's fast moving. It's up to a yellow TVS right now.
Back up a bit.
Back up a bit. Alright. Oh shoot!
Whoa. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Back up a bit. Actually, stop.
Trying to face into the wind. Alright, it's up to orange TVS right now. Picking up speed right now.
This thing is fast.
Right here.
Stop. Drop down.
Here we go. Get ready for intercept.
Putting Lexa windows up.
Tornado warning. It's red TVS.
Right
It's red
here.
TVS. Alright, we're rocking. You ready?
We're at.
Yeah, we're in it. Yeah, 40 mile, 50 mile per hour wind speeds. We had a wind spike. Oh!
We're in the funnel.
Yeah, we're in it. We're in it. Direct hit. 130 miles an hour. High tier EF2. Wind speeds are decreasing right now, though. Nope. Ping TBS. Is ping TBS on radar?
Good hit, Homa.
Yeah, it's gonna hit Helma.
Alright, we're out.
Yeah, we are out. Alright.
Stay down. Raise it up.
Good intercept. Direct hit.
It could hit Nateville. Alright, head west and then head down south, then we can head east.
Alright. There is EF2, EF1 damage on trees here.
Watch out for debris up here.
Yep. I think that's another storm forming. Right to our west.
This one's dying, so we might want to head chase the new supercell.
Yeah. Well, we also gotta watch out for this tornado because it could recycle. Has a chance of doing that. Oh my god, it just lit up the whole sky. Even though the sky's already lit up.
It's back to orange CVS.
Okay, so
Oh, it's Central Turium.
oh shoot. No, Naples. The northern part of Naples. Huram, whatever it's called. Yeah, Huram. Okay. Can't. No visual on the storm. I don't know if it's a mess or not. Check on radar.
No, there's no messer yet.
Alright.
Keep going south.
Okay. And then you said turn east?
No.
Alright.
There
So, after
should
this
be a
road.
messer. Yeah. Alright, it shows that there's a meso. On this storm right now.
I don't see the meso.
Alright, the other channel shifted southeast.
Oh,
It shifted more south like a save.
yeah.
What's hitting?
Alright.
On this road up here. On this road up here, head south and head west.
Alright.
Towards Irving.
Take the main. Alright, yeah. Oh, my fault. That's a stupid question. The meso looks small, but it could still be something. Now is increasing, but the tornado's dying.
Yeah.
So I don't know what it's doing. It's acting weird. You see this tornado
I see the
form?
meso.
Yeah, I see the mess, so I just need the tornado to drop down. Wait, is that RFD? Or is that debris cloud? I can't see.
RFD. That's
Funnel.
RFD. It's falling coming down.
It's not coming down, it's a satellite. Alright, this tornado can shift last minute, so that's what I'm worried about.
There's a brick on the ground.
Yeah, it's right there. You see it.
Satellite tornado.
We are out of the rain. Orange TBS.
Oh, it should have been more east. On top of stop your.
We good here? Alright, turn around. Down the dirt road. Right?
Wait. Could be hitting for us. Alright, we gotta go hit me. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
And intercept this thing.
Pink TS. Pink TS.
Alright.
Stop here, stop here, stop here.
Stop here, stand right for us.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, it's down to red
Pull up
TVS.
Pull it. Turn west. Turn on this road. Go forward, go forward.
Tornado
Turn
sirens.
around.
They were
Stop
too
here,
late.
stop here, stop down.
Here we go.
Maximum wheels, put the maximum wheels up.
Oh,
Parking.
PDS warning, PDS.
Power
Tornado
down.
emergency. Tornado emergency.
Debris, debris, debris.
Lots of debris. Here, we're gonna watch. This
Where's
rooftop's
debris?
gonna get lifted.
We're in a tornado. Hang on, big debris. Pause parking rates.
Alright, it's up to 80 miles an hour. 90. Alright, the roof got lifted. Oh my god! We're at it, 110 miles an hour.
Hit by debris.
Jesus. Oh my god, 130 miles an hour. 153! Wind spike!
Duck down, get down, get down.
Yeah, get down. We have a 30 mile per hour wind spike.
Hang on.
Yeah, we got a direct hit on this. Hospital just got lifted. Oh my good god.
Bear's cage, there's a bear's cage.
There's a bear's cage, debris ball. There's lots of debris. Oh my god. Oh, we just got hit.
There's a debris.
We're still in this thing. I think it's dying. I think it's dying. It's dying. D-bar tree. Okay, we're out. We're out. We're out of the circulation.
See it out, see it out, see it out.
It's back up to pink TVS though. Alright. Speeds are decreasing. Oh my god!
Hang on.
Alright, we're under 100 miles an hour. I'm gonna
I see
undeploy
now.
at 50.
Watch out, 'cause there's debris flying around.
Yeah. There could be... There's EF3 damage here for sure. But there has a chance for EF4 damage. Alright, we're out.
No,
we're
I
out.
think I see it before. Turn your lights, turn your lights. Wow.
Oh my god.
Not a direct hit.
Yeah, we just got...
You're
Jeez.
getting hit by big debris.
Yes. Oh my god. That's one of the best interceptors we ever had. Here. I'm gonna assess the damage here. Because there's... Alright, EF4 damage. EF4 damage.
Also, people injured down over there at these houses.
This injured person right here. Oh my god. Yeah, there's EF4 damage. It's EF4 tornado.
Is that E5 down over there? No, that's E4.
Holy.
Holy cow. Look down here.
We gotta help these people. Oh my god. Yeah, this is EF4 damage.
Yeah, that's definitely E4.
We just intercepted EF4 tornado. Damn. Alright, call the ambulance. Call police.
I reported
We have
it.
another. Hey, just letting you know, there's another storm developing right on top of this supercell. So let's get back to Dom. How is the billboard still standing?
You know, all these buildings got destroyed. All the roof got lifted.
Yes,
The
everything is.
hospital roof almost landed right on top of us.
Yeah, it was really close.
Another person injured
Yeah,
over
there's
here.
lots of people injured here.
Watch out for debris.
Yeah, I kind of can't see it. But I'm trying.
Watch out, watch out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
Power poles down. There's like weak EF4 damage over here.
Yeah.
Couple of like EF2, EF3 damage over here.
So EF4 tornado, high EF3, high tier EF3, low tier EF4.
I've got another mess of northeast right now.
All right, let's head over to it.
Actually, east, southeast. Guy head down. It could hit Starbucks.
Oh, all right. Let's just head to Starbucks, and then we can turn east. Don't mind that.
Funnel, there's funnel.
Funnel? No, that's the other tornado. Wait. No, wait. I can't
Wait.
see it.
It's hard to see. It's really dark out here.
Yes.
We're winning. Brooklyn. Quiet.
Oh, yeah. There's a funnel. There's a funnel. Checking the tornado path. Hibbing got a direct hit.
Yep. About EF4 damage.
Yeah. That's horrible. Oh wait, is it down?
I can't tell.
I just saw some meso rotating, like really fast. This might be a huge meso.
I see the right side of the mesa behind us.
Is it?
Northeast.
I don't even. I can't even tell. The meso might be huge. Oh wait, is it on the ground? It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
This one recycled.
Wait, the other tornado. Oh shoot. Wait, no. The other tornado is. I think it's a wedge. The other tornado. I think it's a wedge.
I just saw the backside of the tornado. I just saw the backside of the tornado. It's a wedge.
All right, turn east.
Yes, head east.
We might get a intercept on the recycled tornado.
Design.
Good.
There's so much stuff going on radar.
Yeah, I can't. There's so much stuff going on right now. Outside too. Can't see anything. Waiting for some helium. Oh my god, it is a wedge!
Wedge tornado.
RFD's in Starbucks.
This is a massive tornado. Two in front of us.
Oh god! Alright, here we go. We're gonna drive right through this thing.
Putting windows up.
Here we go.
Rocking.
Here we go.
We're inside tornado. We're in it.
I'm going. Oh my god, it's 118 miles an hour.
Drop down.
I can't.
We're good.
Alright, it's red TVS. It's orange TVS, my fault.
The other one's the red TVS.
Other one's red? Oh god. It's heading right for Starbucks. Here we go. Hey, I'm on the plane right now. We gotta intercept this thing.
I'll go
It's a
forward.
wedge! Oh my god, you see it? It's a half a mile wide, or possibly even a mile wide.
Deploy.
Oh my god. What is going on? I can't see anything. It's PTVS. It's PTVS. Vortex. It's PTVS. We're trapped. We're trapped. The tornadoes are the 2 pieces of red, and we're the hand. Tornado sirens.
Horizontal boards. Wait, is it multi-vortex?
I really don't know. It's a wedge! No! It is not multi-vortex. It is a huge wedge, mile wide.
Holy cow! Right there, right next to us, 2 PTVS tornadoes on the
Holy
ground.
crap! 2 pink TVS tornadoes right next to us. 2 wedge. Oh my god!
We're stuck in between.
This is a mile wide. This might be over a mile wide. Oh my god. Yeah, we are not getting a direct hit on this. Jeez. Oh god.
2 mounted tornadoes on the ground.
The hail here is huge too. 2 inches. I'm shaking.
It's probably gonna hit and push it go.
Yeah, it's gonna hit Postigo, cause really bad damage there. It is over a mile wide. That's all I know. Here, we're not gonna take the highway. It's gonna hit the highway really soon.
Holy cow.
The hail to our north is 5 inches.
Look at the pentagram on the radar.
Huh?
Look at the pentagram on the radar.
I know it's huge.
It might hit a rock.
2.5 miles wide. Oh my god.
It might hit a rock.
It might hit a rock. Oh my god. If this heads north,
Satellite.
it's satellite. Oh god.
It looks like a UFO.
Oh my god, it does look like a UFO. Holy crap. Oh my god. No. That is over a mile wide. That's more than 1.3. Has to be more than 1.3.
Turn north on this road up here. Look at the pentagram.
I don't see it. I don't know. You mean polygon?
Polygon, whatever.
Shit.
Can't think right at this moment.
I can't see it. I'm driving.
It's hitting West Rock at this moment.
It's gonna hit West Rock.
Oh! No, the
my!
Polygon.
Oh!
Polygon.
Oh!
You see it?
Yes, I see it.
I can't even see a tornado. I didn't know where tornado is.
I can't. It's a satellite. It is huge.
There's debris. There's debris.
I'm telling you right now. Oh, this is over 200 miles per hour. Wait, we're shaking. We're rocking.
Stop here.
No. We're good. Wind speeds are. Debris ball.
Holy cow.
Yeah,
Stop,
this is
stop.
1.5 miles wide. Has to be. Yeah, no, we're good. We're
not getting a direct hit on this thing.
Yeah, I know we're not getting a direct hit on this.
Look at it. It's back on the ground.
I can't see it. Oh wait, no. I wonder why I can't see it. It's a whole cloud.
Stop here. Deploy.
No, we're good. Here, I'm gonna get to the intersection and then I'm gonna deploy. Because right now we are. Wait, hold on. Is it headed right for us? I don't know.
Yes.
Shit.
Keep going. Actually, keep going and head west. Head west now.
West.
East. I meant east. Go and head east now. You gotta get out of here.
Ah, power flashes. Oh.
Go. Right behind, right on our tail. Keep going.
Alright,
stop here.
I'm deploying.
Stop down here. Power flashes.
It's not letting me deploy. Come on. Oh my god.
Put spikes down. Put spikes all the way down.
They are down.
Let the wheel all the way up. And pull on parking brake.
I swear to God. If this thing shifts right towards us.
What's the wind speed?
50. Here we go.
This is a massive tornado.
might be heading right towards us. It might be heading right towards us.
Alright, that's it. Go east, go east. Back up. Go, go, go.
Is that another tornado right in front of us? I don't know. At this point, I'm just seeing
Five
tornadoes.
and tail.
Yeah, 5-inch size hail. Jesus Christ, that is over. There's.
It's still the 5.7 hit and tail.
Oh Lord.
That's not even on the reporting thing.
Yeah, that's. Alright,
Oh, that's 4.7.
deploying.
Holy cow.
Oh, it's red TVS, it's red TVS, it's red TVS.
You want to intercept it?
Yes.
Alright.
Tornado heading southeast right towards us.
Where?
It's another tornado, southeast of Hibbing. I'm at Hazleton. Heading right for us.
Oh, dude. This is a crazy outbreak.
Why did I undeploy? Oh my god. Jeez.
Keep TBS on the other tornado. This is gonna take a while.
Yes. We're gonna be in this for at least. Alright, we're in the funnel, we're in the funnel.
Very hard.
Okay, we're perfectly fine. There has to be some type of damage at rock.
There has to be. There's power flashes.
Yeah, like from a mile away too. Alright, it's dying. Oh my god. That's the scariest thing I've ever experienced. Ever.
What's the wind speed right now?
90?
90?
Yeah.
Bro.
Bro, I am shaking. Oh my god.
Bro, we were between two wedge Pink TVS tornadoes.
Alright.
Those head west. Yeah, just keep going west. And check out Varrock too.
Holy crap.
Look at the RV on the other tornado!
I can't even see it, man.
You can see it.
I can't. I can. I can.
Holy cow, this is a crazy outbreak.
I've never seen anything like this ever. We've had tornadoes mile wide. The biggest we've seen was 1.3.
Alright, check out the
This
damage
is-
here.
Alright, let's check out the damage. But this tornado had to have been 1.5. Had to have been. It looked like a
Roped
drill
out.
going into the
Roped out.
ground.
Roped out. It roped out. Look at the path.
Oh my god, it was 1.26 miles wide.
2.7.
Holy.
Oh, the trail might be heading towards this
Yeah,
way.
no, this other tornado is really powerful. It's really, really powerful. I'm telling you right now. Here, I'm gonna assess the damage here. It's F4 already. Yeah, it's. Hey, we have EF4 damage here.
Don't tell me I just saw the funnel.
It's heading right for us.
It's heading right. It's heading directly towards us. Nah.
What?
I just saw the full width.
Oh my god, I just saw it too. Are you in the
Get out of
vehicle?
here. Get out of here. Go south. Go south. Go south.
Here, we can stay here for a little bit. This is what I'm gonna do. I am Gonna go north,
Uh,
but I'm gonna go to the east side.
Alright, how about this? Assess the damage right now. I'll keep on radar. It's a
Bet,
red
bet.
TS right now. Holy cow! I just saw a tornado.
Oh my god. This is. Oh. Oh my god. Here, I don't think any of these got hit, like, damaged really badly, so that's good. Bro, I can't get in! 120, 110 miles an hour, EF2 damage over here.
This is a massive tornado.
Yeah. Just wait till it's morning. Oh my god, you're gonna see the most devious ground scouring ever. Alright, it's dying, it's dying, it's dying.
Oh my god. I tried it back to PTVS, but it's tanked. Oh, it's yellow now. It's dying.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here. Oh my god.
Look at that.
I have.
What was that?
It was a drone. I have never seen an outbreak this bad. You have EF4 damage from a rope tornado in Hibbing. You have about you EF5 damage, EF5 wind speeds at Varrock. And then that other tornado that was at Starbuck, there's probably some EF1 damage there, but over 200 miles an hour.
Oh my god.
Jeez. We're shaking, we're shaking. Get in, get in, get in, get in!
Get in the
Get
car.
in!
Get in the car.
It's right next to us, it's on our left. It's a wedge.
No, we're good.
Jeez.
We're rocking.
Rocking
We're
again?
rocking.
Oh god. Oh my god, it's a wedge still. God. The good news is tomorrow it's only marginal. So that's good. I need a break from all these tornadoes.
Oh my god.
I understand there's only like 5 tornadoes. But
But they're not normal.
they're abnormal. 3 of them were EF4 plus. Here, I need to like assess the damage. So get in.
I think we should just call it a day.
Yeah, we can call it a day right now. Alright.